Now let's understand Rust Dockerfile. Let's compare it with Node.js 1. It's same. It has stage 1 planner or builder, stage 2 runtime, which means it is multi-stage Docker build. Now let's compare it with Node.js Dockerfile approach. What's same? Multi-stage build. Both are split into builder and runtime stages. Builder stage installs dependencies. Node, that is npm install. Rust, that is cargo chef cook plus cargo build. So in Node, npm install is the command that in the builder stage that installs dependencies. In Rust, the same command is cargo chef cook plus cargo build. Copy source code. Both bring in app code after dependencies. Runtime stage is Slim, which means Node has Node 18 Slim. Rust has Debian, Bookworm, Slim, or even Scratch for ultra minimal. CMD defines entry point. Node runs on node server.js. Rust runs the compiled binary. What's different? Language type. Node.js is interpreted language, whereas Rust is compiled language. Dependencies in Node.js, it is npm install, that is node modules. In Rust, it is cargo chef cook that builds dependency layers. Build step. In Node.js, none. The runtime interprets the JavaScript. In Rust, it is cargo build space release that produces a binary. Runtime image. In Node.js, it needs node runtime, that is node 18 Slim, for example. In Rust, it can be Scratch or minimal Debian because binary is self-constrained in compiled languages. Output artifact. In Node.js, it is app plus node underscore modules. In Rust, it is single binary, that is my underscore app. CMD. In Node.js, CMD is node server.js. In Rust, it is app. Summary of Rust Dockerfile. Stage 1 builder. This feels familiar. This installs dependencies, copying the code, preparing the artifact. The difference: Rust uses cargo chef to produce optimized dependency caching like npm CI, but smarter for Docker builds. Stage 2 runtime. That is radically simple. Instead of carrying a runtime plus dependencies, we just ship one binary. This makes the Rust images tiny, fast, and portable, similar to Go. So the mental model would be Node that installs dependencies plus running the JavaScript files. In Rust, it is compiling the dependencies plus building the binary plus running binary directly. So that was about Rust Dockerfile and comparing it with Node.js Dockerfile.